Did you know some houseplants do more than just look beautiful? Certain indoor plants can help improve air quality, add humidity, and make your home feel fresher and more relaxing. If you're looking for natural ways to create a healthier indoor environment, these 12 amazing plants deserve a spot in your home. Stay until the end to discover which plant is considered one of the easiest air-purifying plants for beginners. Number 1. Snake plant. The snake plant is one of the most popular indoor plants for cleaner air. Its tall, upright leaves add modern style while requiring very little maintenance. Unlike many plants, snake plants continue releasing oxygen at night, making them excellent choices for bedrooms. They tolerate low light, infrequent watering, and dry indoor conditions. Even busy plant owners can keep them thriving. Their ability to adapt to various environments makes them one of the most beginner-friendly houseplants available. Place one in your bedroom, office, or living room to enjoy a touch of greenery with minimal effort. Their striking architectural shape also complements almost any decorating style. Number 2. Peace lilies are known for their elegant white blooms and glossy green leaves. These plants thrive in medium to low light conditions, making them perfect for indoor spaces. They enjoy slightly moist soil and can signal when they need water by gently drooping their leaves. Peace lilies help create a fresher atmosphere while adding beauty to any room. Their graceful appearance works well in living rooms, bedrooms, and offices. With proper care, they can bloom multiple times throughout the year, providing a beautiful display of white flowers against lush green foliage. Number 3. Spider plants. Spider plants are among the easiest and fastest-growing houseplants. Their arching green and white striped leaves create a cascading effect that looks stunning in hanging baskets. They produce baby plantlets that can be propagated easily, allowing you to grow your collection for free. Spider plants tolerate a wide range of indoor conditions and recover quickly from occasional neglect. They are excellent choices for beginners and families. Place them near bright, indirect light for the best growth. Their cheerful appearance adds life and texture to shelves, windowsills, and plant stands. Number 4. Boston Fern. Boston ferns bring a lush, tropical feel to indoor spaces. Their feathery fronds create a soft, elegant appearance that instantly brightens any room. These plants prefer higher humidity and consistently moist soil, making them ideal for bathrooms and kitchens. Boston ferns thrive in bright, indirect sunlight and appreciate regular misting. Their dense foliage can transform an ordinary corner into a vibrant green oasis. With proper care, they grow into impressive statement plants that make indoor environments feel cooler, fresher, and more inviting throughout the year. Number 5. Aloe Vera. Aloe vera is famous for both its beauty and practical uses. Its thick, succulent leaves contain soothing gel often used for minor skin irritations. Aloe thrives in bright light and requires very little water, making it an excellent low-maintenance plant. Its sculptural appearance fits modern and minimalist interiors perfectly. Aloe vera stores water in its leaves, allowing it to tolerate occasional neglect. Place it near a sunny window and water only when the soil becomes completely dry. This hardy plant offers both decorative appeal and everyday usefulness. Number 6. Rubber plant. Rubber plants feature large, glossy leaves that make a bold statement indoors. Their deep green foliage adds elegance and sophistication to living rooms and offices. Rubber plants thrive in bright, indirect light and appreciate moderate watering. As they mature, they can grow into impressive indoor trees that become focal points in a room. Their sturdy nature makes them relatively easy to maintain compared to many other large houseplants. Regular leaf cleaning keeps them looking shiny and healthy while helping them maximize their decorative impact. Number. Areca Palm. The Areca Palm brings tropical charm to indoor spaces with its graceful, arching fronds. This plant creates a relaxing, resort-like atmosphere in homes and offices. It prefers bright, indirect light and evenly moist soil. Areca palms can grow quite large indoors, making them excellent statement pieces for empty corners. Their soft, feathery foliage adds movement and texture to interior spaces. They pair beautifully with modern, coastal, and tropical decorating styles while helping create a welcoming and comfortable environment. Number 8. English ivy. English ivy is a versatile plant that looks beautiful in hanging baskets, shelves, or decorative containers. Its trailing vines create elegant greenery that softens indoor spaces. English ivy prefers bright, indirect light and slightly moist soil. Regular pruning helps maintain a full, attractive appearance. This classic plant can be trained to climb supports or allowed to cascade freely. Its timeless beauty and adaptability have made it a favorite among indoor gardeners for generations. It adds charm and sophistication wherever it grows. Number 9. Chinese evergreen. Chinese evergreen is highly valued for its colorful foliage and incredible tolerance of low-light conditions. Its leaves often feature beautiful patterns of green, silver, pink, or red. This easy-care plant requires minimal attention, making it ideal for beginners and busy households. Chinese evergreens grow slowly and maintain an attractive appearance year-round. They perform well in offices, bedrooms, and shaded corners where other plants may struggle. Their vibrant foliage provides visual interest even without flowers, making them excellent decorative plants. Number 10. Bamboo palm. Bamboo palms bring a tropical look while remaining manageable indoors. Their slender stems and delicate fronds create a light, airy appearance. These palms thrive in medium to bright indirect light and appreciate consistently moist soil. Bamboo palms fit well into living rooms, entryways, and office spaces. Their elegant structure adds height and dimension without overwhelming a room. They create a calming atmosphere and blend beautifully with a variety of interior design styles, from contemporary to traditional. Number 11. Pothos. Pothos is one of the easiest houseplants to grow and maintain. Its heart-shaped leaves come in various shades of green, yellow, and cream. Pothos thrives in a wide range of lighting conditions and tolerates occasional mist waterings. Its trailing vines look beautiful in hanging baskets or draping from shelves. Fast growth and simple care make it a favorite among beginners. Pothos can quickly fill a room with lush greenery while requiring very little effort. It is an excellent choice for anyone starting an indoor plant collection. Number 12. ZZ plant. The ZZ plant is famous for its ability to survive in challenging indoor environments. Its glossy, dark green leaves remain attractive even with minimal care. ZZ plants tolerate low light, dry air, and infrequent watering, making them ideal for busy plant owners. Their upright growth habit creates a clean, modern look that suits homes and offices alike. Because they require so little maintenance, ZZ plants are often recommended as one of the best beginner-friendly houseplants. They provide year-round beauty with very little effort. Which of these air-cleaning plants is your favorite? Whether you choose the low-maintenance snake plant, the elegant peace lily, or the tropical Areca Palm, adding greenery to your home can make your space feel fresher, brighter, and more inviting. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more indoor plant tips, decorating ideas, and houseplant care guides. Happy planting!